In this particular video, we'll see how to check the spaces present in a string. Okay, so the number of spaces present in a string. Okay, so for example, if I just type I like to play chess. Okay, so here you can see 1 2 3 4 spaces are present in this particular string. Okay, so now let's take this as an example. String underscore example is equal to I like to play chess. Okay, so now let's close this with the braces. Now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now we'll try to check the number of spaces present in this particular string. So for that, what you can do is like print off the name of this particular variable dot count, and here we are trying to check the number of spaces present in that particular string. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see 4. Okay, so that means there are 4 spaces present in this particular string. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is how you can check the number of spaces present in a string. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for more.